My dear students, welcome back to Business Studies class. Today we will start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is directing. Already you heard about directing when we studied about the functions of management, right? So after planning, organizing and staffing, the next function of management is directing. It is an important function of management without which all other functions of management will be ineffective. It is an important management which links or connects all other functions of management. So, in our daily life also, there should be someone to guide us. There should be someone to instruct or motivate us, right, to achieve our goal. Just like that, in the case of employees of the organization, there should be someone to direct them to achieve the goal. Okay, so what is the meaning of direction? Direction means, or directing is the process of guiding, inspiring, instructing and motivating the employees to work very effectively to achieve the organizational goal. So it is the process of guiding, motivating, inspiring as well as instructing the subordinates to achieve the organizational goal. So it is a very important function in which actually the original work begins. In the case of planning, organizing and staffing, we were planning as well as arranging everything for working. Okay, but the actual work begins when at the time of directing. So every managers from top level to the bottom level perform some directing function. It is a continuous process of management that exists as long as the business exists. Okay children, let us discuss about the features of directing. What are the features of directing? The first feature is, it is a pervasive function. Directing is a pervasive function which is required at all levels of management as well as all types of organization. It is required at top level management, middle level management as well as lower level management. Now the second feature, it is a continuous activity. Okay, this directing is a continuous activity throughout the life of the organization. Clear? Now the third feature, human factor. It is related, this directing is related with the subordinates and so it is related with the human factor. Now what is the fourth feature, do you know children? The fourth feature is creativity. Directing motivates the employees. Directing motivates the subordinates, okay, to work in a creative way. Clear? Now the next one, management function. Directing is an important management function just like all other management function. Actually, it is a function which links all other management function. Okay, and here all managers as well as executives want to perform this function, which is that function, directing function. Students, these are the 5 features of directing. Study about the importance of directing. Directing is one of the important function of management. It provides many benefits to the organization, like the first importance is initiates action. It is the starting point of work performance. In all other functions, planning is going on. Organizing and staffing, arrangements are done. But the actual performance starts where, do you know? In the case of directing. It is the function through which managers gets the work done through the subordinates. Clear? So now the second importance. What is that? It integrates the efforts of employees. Okay, in this case, the superiors are able to guide, inspire and instruct the subordinates to work effectively. That is why it helps the organization, it helps the management to integrate the efforts of every employees. Okay, now the third importance, what is that, do you know? It helps to cope with the changes. You know, every time business environment is changing, every time there will be changes in the organization. So through proper direction, the employees will be able to cope with the environmental changes which is happening in the organization. Now the fourth one, efficient utilization of resources. Through proper direction, the employees will become efficient in handling the resources of the organization in a proper way. So there will be efficient utilization of resources through directing. Now the next point, stability. Okay, it helps in developing cooperation in the organization. Okay, it helps to create commitment among the employees. Okay, which will create a balance in the organization, which will bring stability in the organization. Okay, children. Now the last point, what is that? Motivation to the employees. Through directing, the manager can identify the abilities of subordinates and will help them to work in the best way, work in the efficient way. Okay, so it will help the employees to get motivated to work effectively. So dear children, these are the importance or benefits of directing to the organization. Clear? So dear students, today we studied about the meaning of directing, then the features of directing as well as the importance of directing. I think it is clear. The points are clear to you. The detailed explanation we will do in the live session. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.